All right, well, we're going to be back at it again today. It's a whopping 16 degrees outside, and I need to rotate the car because the front and rear glass are coming out. So I got to hurry up, get the thing outside, spin it, bring it back in, and get the heat cranking. So let's get to it. All right, so I got the windshield out. My friend let me use his window saw, which made pretty quick work of this. You can see I got the typical rust in the channels. So we'll be fixing this, cleaning this all out. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So pretty happy about that. We'll get this cleaned up and then reassess what's going on. I don't think it's as bad as I was expecting it to be. So I think with that, it's probably where I'm going to leave this one. I'll be crawling in there to get the rear window. But since my batteries aren't holding a charge, I'll probably get at this one tomorrow. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you see something you like or you don't like, because we're here to learn. Thanks, everybody.